As a company that runs on EOS, we know the importance of a proven process. The proven process is a visualization that shows your leads and customers exactly how you deliver services. Everyone in your organization should be familiar with your proven process so they can set client expectations, mark progress, and repeat the process for consistent results. How having a proven process helps you. Your proven process acts as a North Star to guide your team. It is critical for your team at every level because it provides a clear roadmap for all to follow. It lowers distractions and creates consistency. It also acts as a crucial sales and marketing tool. Sales can close new business easier by setting expectations up front. It also helps your marketing team develop clear talking points about what sets you apart. Prospects won't have to wonder what you do and how you do it. It'll be spelled out for them right there. How having a proven process helps clients. Ultimately, a proven process alleviates fear and builds trust. It shows a method to the madness and is a great selling point for process-driven clients. It keeps expectations aligned and ensures your projects stay in scope. How to document your proven process. There are 3 key things to keep in mind when mapping your process. 1, it must be visual. 2, it must be repeatable. And 3, it must be in your brand, voice, and tone. When developing your process, you can go 3 routes. You can DIY it and hold a workshop with internal stakeholders yourself. If you run on EOS, you can have your EOS implementer run the workshop. Or 3, you can hire a marketing agency like us. We help clients in a variety of industries develop their process in just 1 workshop. After you nail down your process, you'll want to work with your marketing team or agency to get the voice and tone down, then hand it over to your graphic designer to make a visual for it. From there, you can put it on your website, use it in your marketing, and print out posters for the office. Get started on your proven process. There's no time like the present to work on your proven process. If you need help working on your process or need an outside perspective, the team at Hivehouse Digital can help. Contact us to learn how we can help you today.